11 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. 3 goes into this one how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 3, so 0 times 3 is 0, subtract 1. 3 times okay, now bring down the next digit 1. 3 goes into 11 how many times? 3 times 9, 4 times 12, which is greater, so 3 times, right? 3 times 3 9, subtract, you are getting 2. Now your answer is 0 3 means 3, remainder 2. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, then add number of zeros as you want. Bring down the first 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, which is greater, so 6 times. Right, 6. 6 times 3 18. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down another 0. Now you have 20. 3 goes into 20 how many times? Again 6 times. 6 times 3 20. Subtract 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. 20. 3 goes into 20 6 times. Now place here 3 dot. 3.666 dot dot dot. You can place over bar over 6 to mean that the 6 is repeating.